Want to make smarter financial decisions, shape national policy, or become a global market expert? Then economics might just be your golden ticket. And guess what? Australia is one of the best places in the world to study economics, offering top-tier education, post-study work visas, and clear permanency pathways. In this video, we are going to talk about the course options, universities, careers, and how you can turn your economics degree into a future in Australia. Economics is more than just numbers and graphs. It's the study of how people, governments, and businesses make decisions. It's divided into two key areas: microeconomics, which focuses on individuals and businesses, and macroeconomics, which deals with entire economies and government policy. With economics, you don't just learn theories, you gain tools to understand and influence how the world works. Why study economics? By studying economics, you'll develop skills to guide government policy, forecast economic trends, make smart investment decisions, and analyze market data to predict future changes. Economists are in demand across banks, governments, consultancies, and even tech and healthcare sectors. Why study economics in Australia? 1. Top-ranked universities. 7 Aussie universities in the QS world. Top 100 for economics. 2. No prior background needed. Start from scratch. No economics background required. 3. Flexible start dates. Multiple intakes each year. 4th post-study work visa. Study for 2 years or more and get 2 to 8 years on a post-study work visa. 5. Migration opportunities. Use your economics degree to qualify for PR pathways later on. Courses you can study. You can choose from a variety of courses, such as Bachelor of Economics/Business, Graduate Certificate or Diploma in Economics, Master of Economics/Applied Economics, PhD in Economics. You'll cover areas like data analytics, international economics, economic strategy, public policy, and more. Top universities. Some of the best universities for economics in Australia include University of Queensland, UNSW, ANU, Griffith University, University of Adelaide, QUT. Whether you're after a bachelor's or a master's, we can help you find the perfect match. Career outcomes. After graduation, you can become a economic analyst or policy advisor, financial analyst or investment consultant, market research analyst, data analyst or statistician, business development manager, or even work in government or academia. Skills, assessment, and PR pathway. To migrate to Australia, your degree must be assessed for roles like market research analyst, policy analyst, financial investment advisor. VETASys is the assessing authority. You'll need relevant work experience plus qualifications. PR pathway. 1. Apply for a 485 visa. Gives you 2 to 5 years of post-study work rights. 2. Move to PR via Subclass 190 state nomination, Subclass 491 regional skilled, employer-sponsored visa like 186, 482, or 494. Still confused about which course or university to choose? Or want to know if your background qualifies you for PR? Don't worry. Soul Edu offers free counseling and free application processing. Email us at hello@souledu.net or click the link in the description to fill out our inquiry form. See you soon in Australia.